This guy has an infection with an organism which has 11 segments and an icosahedral capsid. Right, so what do you think this guy has? Like, who can tell me the diagnosis of this patient? Infant with gastroenteritis and infection with a naked RNA virus with 11 segments. The question is asking you the observed phenomena is seen in which other virus families. So rotavirus, perfect, amazing. So yeah, 11 segments and an icosahedral capsid that's seen in rotavirus. And what other viruses have similar thing, that is, segmented genome? Any idea? Besides rota and orthomyxoviruses. So yeah, Banya virus has 3 genomes, orthomyxovirus has 8, and rotavirus has the most, that's 11 segments. Yeah, all of the other viruses, they don't, right?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.